Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming account access and security. Make sure you can sign into the Google account and that recovery email or phone are current. Once done, enable two-step verification to prevent account takeover. This protects every app you'll link. Next, inventory the apps and websites where you'll switch to Google sign-in so you don't miss anything. These prerequisites keep the process smooth and secure, and they speed up the linking steps that follow. Now you'll switch each app or website to Google Sign-In. When you see Sign in with Google, choose it and authenticate. Make sure to read the permission screen. Grant only what the app needs. Avoid broad account access unless necessary. Once linked, go to your Google account security section to review third-party app access and revoke any entries you don't recognize. If signing in replaces an existing account, follow the app's migration prompts to map data to your Google identity before removing the old login. To finish, verify that each app recognizes your Google account and that your data transferred correctly. Test key actions like saving /profile sync. If something fails, first use Google's recovery options, recovery email, phone codes, or account recovery form to regain entry. Once back in, revoke and reauthorize the app in Google account settings if permissions are wrong. That forces a fresh OAuth handshake. If you still see issues, clear browser cache or try a different device. Most sign-in bugs resolve after
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.